Fix in 5. P0262. P0262 means the fuel injector for cylinder 1 is receiving insufficient V. If your scanner through this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, rough idle or hesitation under load, verify with test drive, note RPM stability, cylinder 1 misfire, may trigger P0301, verify with misfire counter via OBD2 scanner, hard starting or no start condition, verify with fuel injector pulse test with oscilloscope. Now the most likely causes. Faulty fuel injector cylinder 1, internal coil open circuit. No resistance detected. Damaged wiring or connector, corrosion. Loose pin. Or cut harness between ECM and injector. One mistake to avoid. Driving with P0262 is generally not recommended. While some vehicles may continue running with limited symptoms at first, ignoring this code risks misfires, poor drivability, and potential catalyst damage due to unburnt fuel. In rare cases. What does it cost? Roughly €45, $120 doing it yourself, or €165, $240 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Clean and reconnect cylinder 5 injector connector. Apply protective conductive grease. Repair or replace damaged wiring between ECM and cylinder 5 injector. Replace defective fuel injector cylinder 5. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0262? Driving with P0262 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0262. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.